How to use Amazon Locker at checkout. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Amazon app on your device. You will find this kind of screen. At the top, click on the search bar. In your search bar, simply search Amazon Locker. Then, at the top, click on Amazon Pickup. After you've clicked on Amazon Pickup, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply scroll down and then add your country and your address. After you have added your country and your address, you will find nearby results. Select the one you prefer by clicking on the yellow button. After you've clicked on it, you will find the location. Click on Add to Address Book. After you've clicked on Add to Address Book, when you're buying a product in the delivery section, you can simply click on Deliver to this address in the Amazon Locker option. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Always Use Locker Slots. After that, it will be delivered in here. And this is how to use Amazon Locker at checkout. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.